Well, till now, the 2G scam accused Sadiq Bacha's death, a close aide of tainted former telecom minister A. Raja, was seen as a suicide. Now, for the first time, fresh proof emerges that totally debunks the suicide theory. Highly placed sources in the CBI have told Times Now that the doctors who investigated Sadiq Bacha's death suspect his death was not what it looked like. In fact, it could be murder. So was Sadiq Bacha silenced for knowing too much? And by
the right-hand man of A. Raja, seen to be his closest aide, Sadiq Bacha, 3 months ago found dead under extremely suspicious circumstances. 100 days later, fresh proof emerges that Bacha, after all, did not commit suicide.
Highly placed sources in CBI have told Times Now that the doctor who conducted autopsy on Sadiq Bacha's body suspect that his death was not due to the circumstances that appeared at the crime scene. The mystery behind the so-called suicide runs much deeper.
Doctors, according to sources, admit Bacha's body was found under mysterious circumstances, that the chemical examination of Bacha's viscera could hold the key to the mystery. And the autopsy report so far was inconclusive. Bacha was the man who reportedly knew all of Raja's dirty secrets. And those in the know say he wanted to spill the beans by turning a prover. With Bacha gone, the questions mount. Was he murdered for knowing too much? Could he have been the key to expose all the corporate houses the CBI is now trying to nail? Could Bacha have exposed the 2G scam trail that obviously runs beyond A. Raja? Were there lobbies who stood to gain by silencing Bacha? Answers to which we may now never know. With Poonam Agarwal in Delhi, Aviral Virk for Times Now.